A very warm welcome. In this video, we will cover Run Chart, which is one of the 7 QC tools. Visually, a run chart is similar to a line graph. And in both the tools, the data is cyclical, that is, collected in a timely manner, so that the change in the performance over time can be studied. For example, if we monitor our body weight on daily basis and plot it on a line graph, we will be able to see whether it is increasing, decreasing, having certain patterns or trends. The main difference between a line graph and a run chart is a line graph is used to monitor trend and patterns. On the other hand, a run chart is used to detect presence of special causes. Now, let's understand what is meant by special causes. To understand it, we will look at the difference between common and special causes. Common causes are common in nature, whereas special causes are special in nature. That is not common. Common causes occurs on regular basis, hence called as common. On the other hand, special causes occur only when something is changed. For example, let's say you go to bus stop and a bus is late as compared to its scheduled time. Question is, should we consider this as a special cause? Take a moment, think about it and finalize your answer. Let me repeat the definition of special cause as something not common. That is, it doesn't occur on regular basis. If we regularly go by this bus, we would be knowing whether this bus is late on regular basis, or this is first incident of being late, or there are some incidents of being late. If the bus is late on regular basis, it means it is common for this bus to be late. Hence we can consider it is due to common causes and not special. And if this is the first incident of being late, it means it is not common for this bus to get late. Hence we can consider it is due to a special cause. That is, something different happened. Now, it is pretty obvious that in both of these situations, it was kind of easy to identify whether it was due to common causes or special causes. However, if we consider third case, that is, there are some incidents of being late, it means there tend to be a possibility of the bus being late as well. Now, the question is, should we consider those late incidents as due to common cause or special? The answer is, it is difficult to determine by just looking at it. Hence, we need some tool which can help us to identify it. Here comes the need of a run chart or a control chart. In this section, we will look at the run chart only. We will cover control chart and its comparison with the run chart in control chart section. Run chart, as mentioned earlier, is similar to a line graph. However, there are certain rules applied to it to identify whether certain performance is due to special causes. So, let's look at those rules now. Rule 1. If 5 continuous points are in increasing or decreasing order, we can consider there is a presence of special cause. For application of other rules, we need to add a median line on the graph. Median is the middle value of the data. Let's understand it through some examples. For example, if our data set is as follows: 20, 25, 19, 16, 38. We will need to arrange it in a chronological order. Let's arrange this data in descending order as follows: 16, 19, 20, 25, 38. Based on this order, we now know that the middle value, that is, third value, is 20. So, our median is 20. In the above case, the number of readings was odd, hence the middle value, that is, median, was clearly visible. But, what if the number of readings is even? For example, let's take another data set, which includes 22, 18, 19, 26. In this case as well, we will have to arrange the data in descending order as follows: 18, 19, 22, 26. We can observe that there is no middle value visible. To find it out, we will have to take average of two middle values, that is, 19 and 22 in this case. So, the average would be 19 plus 22 divided by 2. Total of 19 and 22 is 41, hence 41 by 2 is equal to 20.5. So, our median is 20.5. Once the median of data set is found, median line needs to be drawn on the line graph for applying further rules. Rule 2. 6 points in row on one side of the median line. Use 8 points if you have 20 or more data points. Rule 3. Number of runs, too few or too many runs. Here, runs can be considered as the number of divisions the median line makes of the data. For example, if the data crosses the median line only once, it means now the data or performance is divided in two sections, hence to be considered as 2 runs. Number of runs can be identified in two ways as follows. By circling the number of runs, or by counting number of times the sequence of data points cross the center, that is, median line. Then adding 1 to that number. In this example, the line is crossed only one time, shown with red arrow. If we add 1 to this number, we get 2. Hence the number of total runs is 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get regular updates.